welcome to the channel. My name is John Moody, and this is Johnny Learns Gardening. So I'm very excited to say that I have started an affiliate program with my sister-in-law's boss, who owns his own company. It's called Seed Needs. That's seedneeds.com if you're ever interested in purchasing any seeds of any flowers or any vegetables. This is my first time using him, so I plan to go ahead and support his business, and in return, hopefully, he can help support mine. But I got some wildflowers, I got some lavender. What else did I get in here? A lettuce collection, basil herb collection. So go ahead and check out his website. That's seedneeds.com. Oh, I got a radish collection also. So that's all I got. And I'm very excited to go ahead and try these out. And I'm sure that they're wonderful, and I'm sure that you guys would like them too. But I will post a link in the description for my affiliate link, and you guys can help me out by using that and purchasing seeds. So seedneeds.com. I have it on my YouTube channel, I have it on my Instagram channel, so go ahead. I even have it on my Facebook channel, so go ahead, click that link, and get you some seeds and plan for next growing season. So thank you all very much. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.